Yo, what going my people, Charlie? Your boy King Bygone in the building, representing Hypers GH and Hypers TV. Yeah, so Charlie, you know, as we set on our plans, we will give you exclusive contents and all what is the trend over the week. You know, today, as it be part of the day we set aside, you know, I give you what we call the Hypers GH Trendest or the Hypers TV Trendest. On this one, there we give you exclusively. You know, say a lot they trend, but we talk mostly about what you trend. Wow, I say, you know, they can't talk anything but Sabia. All right, say, but before I will give you everything, this be the picture photo of the week. This picture be very, very hilarious. If you see how they get put in face for the cow, see the picture. This picture be serious. I don't know what should they look for that side there, but I know them my beliefs. You know, every African country they get them own thing they do. What I say, so I no get issue. Well, as we move on, you know, say this week, I mean this past days, you know, a lot have been happening concerning the crapping polo. I mean, as then to go court, then they take and go prison and things. So Charlie, the matter be very, very sensitive. Then some they agree say make them take and go. Some too say make them dog them. But you know, aside on some prophets be come out. Some lady prophets be and all make out. Some prophetess be say God send them say make it can't talk. Say make them go release the crapping polo. I don't know what God talk. Me, I know be man of God. You understand? But with the prophet she talk. This be what she talk. She say God send them say make it can't tell Ghanaians say make it go release a crapping polo for prison camp. What do you think? What the video they see, Santi?
A crapping polo wansome. Akwadai social media me ba so me hwa na de yo poda ne bibia nya me feda na nso nya me de ne ho asama asoma me na me se me kan tro my Ghana say a crapping polo mo kwa yin free prison ho I rather say me kan tro my Ghana asafo rade na kasai wa say mo kwa ye crapping polo o man penifo mo kwa ye rabane free prison ho ane also beka say adenti no bi koye bi and obi ya say enti ye tu o man mragu dabi awrade so wonim ne oye no ye manema tie awrade so o man Ghana nkoye kwapem polo ane mo ba no wanya de ye ni pen so fe nanso awrade sa abre ni mo no na osem ka no mo ba no kokko Mukoko bone somebody in the prison ana or se miasa for rade e ye Satan na mede na to afiase said ya momo benya mo fa ahode nti mede Satan ato afiase was say your bonsam ye de to afiase o se akua polo wonko di awu waye meda na awrade se waye meda e friend of panya me nkonkuru so me mu wasem mu onyai me mu Usha many a mesua, if it's a something in Quaya Mefasua, a babonte, a rather say, Kofono so the metro, and Pada Adafua, Abusia for Anne, a queer polo, Yadia, yo, my Ghana. Nanso, a radis sabrimu, Nansa Samudin Koto prison. A radis any pension, a mutinasia, and a mupensen pensacola semu, a mubaco pet. And a can be mano, Nyaka Yasi, or Rowan Hododo, or Hagi or Memudodo, Shat Montier. Mamutnas was so sumo social media honor. A quapim polo, Makwa Pamatiano, no. Some would never to a Germano, on Yamiso, or did in Sakasi more than a bamuso. I read this one.
Alright, so as this video passed through, I mean, a crapping polo issue, most of celebrities they support them. Some too, they do support them. You know, say regardless of who you are, you'll get people that they like you, then people that they like you. You understand? But moving forward, you know, crapping polo already they, I think, the prison already. Be like today being say in third day or say in second day or whatever. So I just say left for like 8 days to come out. But before a crapping polo would drop on, it be like it's likely say she could drop anytime soon because some celebrities starts. They sign petition for change.org say make them release the crapping polo for prison. Then that petition gets almost like 7,000 signs already. You understand? Way from the look of things, it be like Grandpapa Reggie where he did behind I mean that the petition then they sign. I mean most of the celebrities, I mean then they share for them our platforms, they make people support make them release the Krapping Polo. You understand? So this be so far the people then so far this be the people they sign the petition. You understand? They just won't make release the Krapping Polo. So they believe say a Krapping Polo will be single mother. You understand? Where she the hustle. Well, we know say nobody or you know, they make mistake, but a Krapping Polo you should be like be lesson they don't take part in top show other people. You understand? So this be how the petition day. This be the people that sign them. This be the list of celebrities where then share the petition say make people sign. All right. So as the petition still to go on, you know, a Krapping Polos when Cardi B can Ghana, you know, a Krapping Polo really display. You understand? Now that them are twerking thing they do, then or says all then how tale Cardi B then 20 way Cardi B can recognize them, you know. We Cardi B start to follow them, we do it in divide in the comments. We Cardi B can realize say in 20 is still ankasa they take and go prison. You don't understand? But as they take and go prison, Cardi B really know like that because according to her, she say people they do more than what the Krapping Polo do for America. You understand? But the funny thing is, Ghana no be America. The fact say people they do that thing for America, no, they means they make you do them for you. But that one there, you know, they matters inside. And they, where Cardi B can't wait say that thing it happen or what they happen to a Krapping Polo. The prison be too harsh, and at least make them give them some community service. Be you don't understand, or at least make them ban them for social media or like something like that. At least for like 1 month or 1 week's health or what, like Asem Nangaza is very emotional. So as Cardi B see that thing, she tweet. You know, I don't know, but someone Ghanaian people Langaza, I mean, some of we Langaza we get issue. I don't know the issue with either Stonebwoy buy views or buy views or Stonebwoy do this. But one thing if you understand we say, go just stand up and buy 1 million views, boom, just like that. They understand. But what I know, so you go feel to say, social media, they go feel boost something, make it reach people early. You understand? That because I know. But Stonebwoy, this week is he released new joint with Vic Mensa. Where as he released the joint, he upload them now, they go fine. But all of a sudden, they release artwork say, the song reached 1 million views. Then when people say, how come? Right now, when you drop the song where you can't reach 1 million views, I mean, somebody say maybe Stonebwoy go past no go po, but that will be the issue. You understand? Stonebwoy get the 1 million view based on the hard work, the energy he puts in. You go feel what? You go feel do this thing. You go feel boost them, make you reach more people. But go feel come accuse Stonebwoy say, oh, Stonebwoy, you go buy views. Because I know I boost music videos before. That be what I do personally. I do more of those stars. So that's it. So if Stonebwoy boost the video, make it reach more people. They mean say you go buy views. If you buy 1 million views, boom like that. After they talk right now, the song they trend for number 2 for Ghana here. When you go YouTube, the song they trend. So where the views you buy and where you they. Charlie, make we support on our own. Then when this all told you one too. At the end of the day, the video they go. And I'm super but so much to sometimes, boss, you do watch a because you understand because I know say shutter drop in things if you boost me, I see say I boost them. But so more you want me, I never see. You understand? But whether you boost them or boost them, whether you buy views or buy views, the song be dope. So I said the title be blessing. Stonebwoy featuring Vic Mensa. Go check them out. So I said Beam Nation representing. So I make people can't touch me. Me I be fan. I said Beam straight up beam. As we do on the entertainment side, we don't go feel talk about Stonebwoy without talking about Shatawale. But SM for life. SM for Mundi Poser. Yeah, the thing is your man day by me right now. You dey chill for there. As you dey chill too, you dey work for there too. But as along the trailing now, we see Satawale they work for beach in the Jupiter, then things, then other Ghanaian celebrities, then they chill for them. When Satawale go beach, as you go beach, you go day they see water inside. Then Satawale fetch they see, then they taste them. As they taste the water,
the sea salt no dey inside, it be sugar. Yeah, it be sugar. If it got away, yeah, per salt. Obiane per say yen ni panu bibi. Yeah, it be sugar. See.
No, this water they taste like sugar. Unlike when I went the Bola Beach, you go there, you see Coco Mimle and Apoto for inside. That's say they see water, they taste like what? They taste like sugar. But aside that, you know, they work. Saturday, I know they work. Where in the Jupiter drop some fresh one cry. Charlie, Jupiter the dance on there. Your man really force so seriously, Charlie. The guy the force, you know, big up Jupiter yourself, you know, bomb clap and demand them. So, oh, part one a crab. You know, the first dance side now. Then Tanzania have a dance artist, but the binti, you know, the binti na mama talking. So that's here. So as we the wrap up, you know, this be what now the trend for the entertainment inside, you know, from Monday out to Tuesday to Wednesday, Saturday, then those days, but something they happen. We don't say this guy he married recently. Princess Shingulos or whatever. He married recently when she did front pictures, then ended in hospital and things. But when I was say be like the girl he married, you know, like I say collapse. Marriage will last for three months or so, 3 weeks as well. I mean, Charlie, some of you these celebrities, so you put pressure on yourself. But Princess Shingulos, I imagine when how she go pray because the way his stomach be very flat, then he brought us to. Charlie, the boys then go past sides, they go chop some then go drop. But Charlie, at the place she will get correct guy. Myself a day, you know, I don't marry yet. That's it. So if Princess Shingo you be interested, you know, just follow me for Instagram then Twitter. Came by gone. You understand? So Charlie, as you watch this video, subscribe to our Hypest TV YouTube channel. Just like then leave a comment. If you think say something they are no talker, you trend we are no talker, just drop them. Hey, that make I forget. Hey Charlie, then that's why you range to Nanaba. My Jimmy range Nanaba. Charlie, the things we talk. Charlie, there was also my Jimmy Benz. So ask me to talk say I claim my Benz. Definitely I could buy Benz or somebody could ask me Benz. But I look forward up to it. You know, just follow Hypest TV and Hypest GH on all social media platforms. Check out hypestgh.net.com and subscribe. You know, I'm out straight up. That's it. So boy, keep by going in the building.